Okay, this is just a progress update video because I am very excited. This is the C64OS file manager, and I've been working on the table columns class, which subclasses a scroll view but adds table columns, and the table view, which is a subclass of the list that supports multiple columns and gets its data from the columns definitions. So here we are, and it's loading in these files from a directory. So we can resize this splitter, and as we resize, we see we get this horizontal scroll bar going on here. And you see that this scroll bar stops below the headers because this scroll bar only scrolls this and leaves the headers where they are. So we can grab this scroll bar. Isn't that great? Scroll back and forth. So now watch this. We can grab this little splitter, this tab. Sorry, this is a table column. So we can grab a table column end, and look at this. Woohoo! We can resize the table columns. Isn't that cool? And it resizes them in real time. We can also resize this one out to. So the table columns support min and maxes. So the min on this one is say 1, and the max is say 5. Whereas for name, it has a min of 1 and a max of 16. Now here's the other kind of neat thing here. You see that this scroll bar here, in real time, as we resize the column, this scroll bar auto adjusts because the columns are being made, because the content view is being made wider. So next, you can see that the data is sorted by this column, and this column header is a different color. This is all themable, so you can change the colors to your desire. But this column is highlighted because it's sorted. The arrow is there on this column. This little arrow here is indicating the direction. So we can click on the column header to change the sort order. Okay, and we can click on, say, name. So now this is in alphabetical order, smallest one's at the top, or we can reverse that. Then we have these. We have this column. Now this column is not resizable because it's always just one character. So we have icons for directories, a little page icon with a little P for PRG, a little page icon with an S for sequential files. So we can click on this column, and we get sorting by file type, like so. Now, we can also, so these menus up here are also active. So you see this sort by menu. These checkboxes are dynamic. So this currently indicates type ascending, but if we were to click size, so that's size ascending, so now we'll say size descending. We come back here, and this says size descending. We can change this to ascending here, and we can see that it will switch the sort. So we can switch the sort using this menu, or you can click on the column headers. Now, one kind of cool thing is using the sort by, you can say sort by disk. And now all the column headers are unhighlighted. They're not in order by these, because these here are out of order. Sizes are out of order. The file names are not in alphabetical order. That's because this is the order that the directory library actually found them on the disk. So that can be useful if you're familiar with the order that the files are on the disk. Now, in addition to sorting, we can also view by type. So currently this is checked as all, but we can say PRG. And so now we only have our PRGs in this list. But what's really cool about that is we can say view by type directories, we get only the directories. And this tab will remember the file type filter as you navigate. Now, I haven't got selections working or actually double-clicking to switch directory working yet, but basically, if I clicked this, it would switch into this directory, but it would maintain the filter by directories. So you could turn this filter on to directory, you could turn this by type to directory, and then that would actually speed up how quickly you could navigate the file system because it only has to load directories. Another kind of neat thing here, you can see that there's this striation. So it alternates bold, regular text, bold text, regular text, bold text, regular text. That's to give you some kind of visual indicator that the size is this, and because these change color as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much where I'm at right now. I can change tabs and it'll load in another directory, but there's some bugs doing that. All right, I'm super excited. Thanks so much for watching.